How are you today? Today let's talk about trigonometry. We're going to be looking at certain questions, how you could answer questions without using calculator. So you have a question on the board. Now let's see this question. Before we proceed, let me quickly remind us of how you can get your angles, 30 degrees, 45 degrees and all of that. So you have a triangle like this. This is angle 30 degrees. When you have your angle 30 here, of course here will be 60 degrees because the sum of angle in a triangle is 90 degrees. And for angle 30 degrees, the opposite is 1. You have 2 root 3. And your sine 30, which is opposite, so opposite, remember we are using so, car, toa. So for sine, it's opposite over hypotenuse. So the opposite is 1, hypotenuse is 2. For cos 30, adjacent to this angle is root 3 over hypotenuse over 2. Tan 30 is opposite over adjacent. Then angle 60 sine 60 is opposite over hypotenuse, root 3 over 2. Then cos 60, adjacent to 60 is 1 over 2. Then tan 60 will be toa, opposite over adjacent, root 3 over 1. And for angle 45 degrees, for this triangle, this side and this side are equal. Two sides are equal, right? So, and the two angles, the two base angles are equal. So if here is 90 degrees, here is 45 degrees, here is also 45 degrees because the sum of angle in the triangle is 180. So here is 1, 1, and root 2, 1, 1, root 2. So our sine 45 will be opposite so over hypotenuse 1 over root 2. Cos 45 will be adjacent over root 2. Y tan 45 will be opposite over adjacent, which is 1. So let's come back to the question. Given that m equals tan 30, and so he said m is tan 30, n is tan 45. Calculate m minus n over mn. What is our m? Tan 30, so that will be tan 30 minus n is what? Tan 45 all over mn means m times n. So m is what? Tan 30 bracket tan 45. Okay, so what is tan 30 from what we have done here? 1 over root 3, so you have 1 over root 3 minus tan 45 is 1 minus 1, which is 1 over 1, all divided by tan 30 is what? 1 over root 3 multiplied by tan 45, which is 1. Right. So the next thing you want to do is, let's resolve this numerator. The LCM will be root 3. Root 3 in root 3 is 1 times 1, 1 minus 1 in root 3 is root 3 times 1, root 3. Okay? We've done that. All over, all divided by whatever times 1 is that value. So you have 1 over root 3. Okay, so let us try to complete this question here. So you are going to have what? So you have 1 minus root 3 over root 3 divided by 1 over root 3. So when you change this division to multiplication, it changes. 1 minus root 3 over root 3 times root 3 over 1. This cancels this. So your final answer is 1 minus root 3. divided by 1. Now remember the question says leaving your answer in the form P plus root Q. So these are P root Q. So the final answer is going to be 1 minus root 3. You can leave it like this, or since they said plus, okay, so you can have 1 plus times minus is minus, so you leave it this way. Okay, so 1 minus root 3. So we are like that is the answer to the question. Let's see some more questions. Now, let's look at this question. 2 times 60 plus cos 30 over sine 60. How do we answer this question? 2 into bracket, what is tan 60? Tan 60 is root 3 over 1, so you have root 3 over 1, plus cos 30 is root 3 over 2, root 3 over 2, all divided by sine 60. What is sine 60? That is root 3 over 2, root 3 over 2. So this 2 is 2 over 1. If you open this, you have 2 root 3 over 1 plus root 3 over 2, all divided by root 3 over 2. Let's solve the numerator. We are going to solve this. The LCM will be 2. So you have 2, 1 in 2 is 2 times this. You have 4 root 3. So let me try write it here so you don't get confused. So the LCM here is 2, 1 in 2, 2 times 2, 4 root 3, 1. The value is not having a square root, so it will not multiply root 3. Rather, it will multiply the value without a square root. So 1 in 2 is 2 times 2, 4 root 3, plus 2 into 1 times root 3. That is 1 root 3 over root 3. Okay? Then all divided by root 3 over 2. Now, can you see? This is 4 root 3 plus 1 root 3, that is 5 root 3. So you have 5 root 3 divided by 2 divided by root 3 over 2. That will be what? 5 root 3 over 2 times 2 over root 3. 2 cancels 2. Root 3 cancels root 3. Our final answer is 5. That is the answer to the question. So can you see now that it is not difficult? Alright, so let me give you 2 questions. I want you to try and solve it, and you can pause the video, solve the question, then check back to see if the answers are correct. Here are the questions. Pause the video right away. Now pause the video and attempt these questions. Alright, welcome back. I believe you have done that, so let's quickly see if your answer is correct. So you have the first one, tan 45 plus sine 30, all divided by cos 60. So what is tan 45 is 1. 1 plus sine 30 is 1 over 2, divided by, so this is 1 over 1, alright, divided by cos 60, which is 1 over 2. So your answer is going to be, your LCM for this numerator is 2. 1 here, 2 times 1, 2 plus 2 into 1 times 1, 1. So that is 3 over 2. Alright? All over 1 over 2. So that's 3 over 2 divided by 1 over 2. That's going to be 3 over 2 times 2 over 1. 2 cancels 2. Our final answer is 3 for the first question. And for the second question, we have angles 30 degrees, so let's wipe the 45 degrees. So here we have 1 plus 2 tan 30 divided by 2 plus sine 30. So you're going to have 1 plus 2 into bracket. What is tan 30? 1 over root 3. all divided by 2 plus sine 30 is 1 over 2. So you have 1 over 1 plus, this is 2 over 1. 2 times 1 is 2. That's the numerator multiply the denominator multiply. 2 divided by root 3. Okay. All over, this is 2 over 1 plus 1 over 2. So this, let's solve the numerator. The LCM will be what? Root 3. 1 in root 3 is root 3 times 1. Root 3 plus, root 3 in root 3 is 1 times 2. 2. All divided by 2 plus half is 2 and a half, or better still, LCM is 2. 1 in 1, 2 times 2, 4, plus 2 into 1 times 1, 1. That is 5 over 2. So you have root 3 plus 2 over root 3 divided by 5 over 2. That is 5 over 2. That will be root 3 plus 2 over root 3 times 2 over 5. So when you multiply this, 2 times this gives you 2 root 3 plus 4 all over 5 root 3. Why are we doing that? These 2 we multiply everything here, right? 2 we first multiply root 3, you have 2 root 3 plus 2 we multiply 2, you have 4 all over 5 times root 3 is 5 root 3. Okay, so you have your answer. But we're not going to leave it like this because you need to rationalize the denominator. To rationalize the denominator, it means when you are solving, you shouldn't have a square root as a denominator. So let's try to rationalize. You have 2 root 3 plus 4 divided by 5 root 3. So you multiply by root 3 over root 3. So when you multiply this gives you 2 root 9, that is root 3 times root 3 is root 9, plus 4 root 3 all over. That's here is multiplying everybody. 5 root 9. Root 9 is 3. So 2 times 3, we have 2 into 3 plus 4 root 3 over 5 into 3. Because square root of 9 is 3. So you have 6 plus 4 root 3 over 15. 5 times 3 is 15. Can anything go in both? You can either leave your answer like this, 6 plus 4 root 3 over 15, or you can go ahead. 3 can go in these two values, so you can split this into 6 over 15 plus 4 root 3 over 15. 3 here 2, 3 here 5. So you have 2 over 5 plus 4 root 3 over 15. You can leave your answer in this format, or you leave your answer like this. Either of these two are correct. So I believe you understood all we did today. That is the answer to the question. So you can't go any further from here. Okay, so you can either leave it like this, or you go further to divide, and you get your answer. So with that, we have come to the end of this class. If you have not yet subscribed, please do well to subscribe right away and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when we post a new content. Thank you. You can ask your question in the comment section, and do well to share this video with your friends. See you in the next class. Bye for now.